Most consulting firms don't actually have a social media problem. They have a conversion problem. Look, if you're a firm leader trying to optimize your consulting firm's social media strategy, then posting intermittent updates and celebrating the occasional client win isn't going to cut it. Consulting is a high-trust, high-ticket sale. Your strategy shouldn't be judged by vanity metrics like impressions or follower counts, but by whether it's turning attention into real commercial opportunities. To fix this, let's look at 3 critical shifts. The first big mistake I see is consultancies relying entirely on their company page. Buyers want to hear from people, not just the brand. Your managing partners and practice leaders hold the real persuasive power, so elevate their personal profiles. Second, change your content focus. Stop posting generic leadership fluff. Instead, answer the exact painful questions prospects ask before they hire you, like why do massive transformation projects stall? Finally, kill the random bursts of activity. Social media success compounds over time. You want a steady flow of quality insights, not feast and famine driven activity. Now this is just a quick teaser of what's possible. If you want to start getting first meetings and opportunities with your ideal clients, you need the full step-by-step blueprint. I've broken everything down in our latest guide. Click the link right down in the description below to read the full blog post on Social-Hire.com. Let's turn those views into valuable business outcomes.